Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is a 2023 Honda Civic Type R. This is in championship white, which is a beautiful color. It is a metallic, and this is going to be kind of like our daily search. So if you guys don't know, I am selling my 2024 Audi RS3. I want to get something that's a little bit better daily oriented. This is one of the options a lot of people were suggesting, and the great news is that we have a FL5, which is the newest generation, at the dealership that I work at. So this car is for sale. If you guys are interested, I'll put some information in the description. But let's go ahead and check it out and just see what this is all about. Because I hear a lot of good things about the Civic Type R. I will say this, it's a beautiful looking car. Like in the front here, I love how wide it looks. Honda did a great job with the way the FL5 looks. But let's go ahead and look in the front here. So these headlights, they are LED, and it does have a LED accent mark or accent light up top for the daytime running lights, LED turn signals, nice aggressive grills, got the red Honda logo with the Type R badge. You can see the big old intercooler there in the front. I love how wide it is. You got the little hood vent up there. It looks like it is functional. Yep, functional hood vent up there. This is shot on my iPhone, by the way, guys, so bear with me. You got these nice wheels. They're actually 19s. So 19-inch wheels, red Brembo brakes, black mirror caps, no sunroof. I love that because I did do a review of a 11th gen Civic Si, but it does have the sunroof, and unfortunately it ruins my headroom. Nice little side sill down here. Sorry about the reflection there. The back looks pretty nice too. As you guys know, Civics are hatchbacks. This Type R is a hatchback. Looks really nice. We got a horn beeping over there. That's great. It is for sale at Godden Ford here in Las Vegas. Hit me up if you guys are interested. Let's go ahead and open up the trunk here. Obviously no power liftgate or anything like that. Tons of room. Civics are amazing with the room in the trunk. Like, this is massive. You got a nice little upgraded sound system right there. Got the all-weather floor mats. Huge. And then you can even like pull this thing across. Super nice. This wing is awesome too. It doesn't look too like ricey looking. It looks like it belongs there. You guys can see there. Really cool looking wing. So when you look at it from the back, it has a nice look to it. Definitely a really good looking car. Like, I have no complaints at all with any angle of this car. I think it's a great looking car. Doesn't have any LEDs or anything in like the turn signal or reverse light. It's a little unfortunate. If you guys don't know, I did have a Golf R, and the Golf R feels a lot more luxurious than this car, but who knows, maybe this one will be better to drive. Let's go ahead and hop inside and check out the interior real quick. All right, so it does have the keyless access, so you just walk up and open up the door. Soft touch right there, soft touch right here. Hard plastics down below. Red flooring inside, so that's really interesting. It's got red flooring. See there, we got the nice red Type R seats. As you guys know, if you guys are familiar with Type Rs, they're manual only. Same with SIs. So we got to go ahead and put our foot on the clutch. I already have the parking brake on. Put our foot on the clutch. Start it up here, and just make sure that we're in neutral, which we already were, so we're good. Digital gauges, really nice. Steering wheel feels pretty good. The leather's pretty nice on it. It's a little hard. It's not very squishy, but leather feels nice. Little Honda badge there. Adaptive cruise, all that good stuff. Over on the side here, we got our, I think this is for all the driver assist technology. Waiting for that screen to boot up. Looking down here, we got our climate controls. We got dual zone, got the fan speed. So it does have physical climate controls. I know a lot of people like physical buttons. Looking down here, we got our plus R mode. So we can click that, and that changes up the gauges. Looks really cool for the plus R mode. We have other drive modes here. Oh, we gotta turn off that real quick. We got, where's the drive modes at? It's not popping up. Oh, there it is. Comfort, Sport, Individual. So individual, I'm assuming, is just like Audis and stuff, where you can kind of program it to what you want it to be. Cool little graphics there. Auto hold, which is pretty nice, so it doesn't roll back, and you can just let go of the brake and it'll stay there. Huge cup holders, lots of room there. That's pretty small, but it's pretty similar to my Golf R. Over here, decent sized glove box. Door pockets feel okay. Not bad at all. I love the black headliner. And guess what, guys? I'm tall, I can fit in this car. There's no sunroof. So my head is not touching the top, which is amazing. And then legroom is fine. The seat definitely holds you in very tight, but the legroom feels pretty good. I'm not going to go too much in depth with this screen. It's just a normal screen here. I believe it's like 8 inches or so. You know, you can go through different stuff, your trip computer and all that good stuff. Trip A, trip B, radio. I'll just leave it on the radio screen. There we go. Just leave it on radio. There we go. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat, under the hood, and then let's take this Type R for a spin. All right, so as you know, I do have that seat adjusted for my height. I'm 6'6". Let's go ahead and check out the back here. Check that out, guys. I can actually fit behind myself. And these seats look really cool from the back. It even says Type R on them. Lots of room back here. No console, so that's unfortunate. You do have 2 cup holders, no air vents or anything like that. So backseat passengers, they don't have it the nicest. There's no like goodies back here. This is hard touch, but you can see obviously into the trunk there. Headroom is a little tight for someone as tall as me, but anyone a little bit shorter than me will have no issues back here. So if you're like 6'2" and less, you'll be fine back here. All right, guys, looking under the hood here, nice looking engine cover here. Lots of room around the engine actually, so it looks pretty serviceable. You can see there. I think Hondas, they have the turbo and stuff in the front side instead of like in the back. But this is a 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder, 315 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. So it has a really good amount of power here. All right, guys, so this is going to be a little difficult just because obviously it's a manual transmission and I'm holding the camera here. I don't have any mount right now. But let's go ahead and see how it drives. Okay. Sounds cool. Suspension, definitely on the stiffer side. Oh, I'm in individual mode. Maybe that's why. Let me go to comfort here. There we go. We'll just cruise around in comfort for now, because if this is going to be a daily, I'm going to be cruising in comfort most of the time. Okay, suspension still feels pretty tight, or I should say pretty stiff. The Golf R definitely felt nicer in its comfort setting. And this is the same price as a Golf R, which is why I'm kind of comparing it to a Golf R. Transmission feels great. Hondas always do. And this one has automatic rev match, so that's cool. You can do that still. Brakes feel really nice too, really strong brakes. And I apologize if the sun's going to be in the camera right now because we're kind of going to accelerate just a little bit here just to get an idea how it feels. Nothing crazy. Downshift into third. Okay, yeah, I mean, that's definitely good enough power for a daily driver for sure. Wow, that feels good. Not bad at all. Downshifting is nice. Now, I don't know about having a manual as a daily driver. I mean, I know a lot of people daily drive their Type R, but I mean, pretty much everyone daily drives their Type R. But I don't know about having the manual as a daily though. It's cool, but I don't know. I wish I had my my head mount so that you guys can see me driving normally instead of having to work with one hand. I like it. This car drives amazing though, and I understand it's a different price point and stuff, but my Golf R is the same price point, and the Golf R is like a better daily. Now this car you can argue is more fun, like it handles amazing. Like you can definitely feel that. The steering feels good, the handling's amazing, the shift, or I should say the transmission is great. But yeah. I don't know. It's definitely an option I'll consider. I know a lot of you guys did recommend the Type R. Definitely I'll consider this option for the new daily, and it's convenient since I work here. But I don't know, we'll see. But let me know what you guys think of the Type R in the comments below. Give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.